Oh, my youngest is back and she's gonna start her car. It hasn't been started in a while. We got it up on Jack's. I did not touch it.
Damn, I really sit like a pin.
You're good. I didn't touch it. Start it up, see what happens. You're gonna have to pump the gas a little. It's in neutral. Emergency brake's on anyway.
You locked my steering.
Okay. Nothing, it'll start. There it goes. Pump the gas a couple times, it'll go right off. There we go. That's it. Pump.
I know how to work my car.
Look at that. She runs so good. I know, but let her warm up. Yeah. Who says you need fuel injection? Good afternoon, everybody. I'm working on my daughter's car today. I gotta change the music here too before I get in trouble. I was turned down. 8-track. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that. That is, lately I've been into 8-tracks. Don't ask me why, but it's just, I guess it's a old man thing. Anyway, I'm working on my daughter's car today. This is a 1977 Corvette. We've had it for, I think, about 3 years now. Jacked up. I am changing the transmission fluid in it. It's got a 4-speed in it. And, it's, a neat car. It's got about, I think it's got 80,000 miles on it. We got the car out of Montana. And we've done a lot of different stuff too. We put brakes, tires. You'll see it has a new exhaust system. We just recently fixed the pan, put a rear seal on it. We put a new clutch in it. The car itself's in really nice shape actually, for as old as it is. This is the worst part, the door right there. And to fix that costs more money than I want to spend. Anyway, this was a $10,000 car a couple years ago. And anyway, it sits in the garage most of the time. But what I'm going to show you here right now is this. I was underneath here working on this. I'm thinking, well, why don't I record this? So, hey, I'm going to record it. So, you see it right there. It's a 4-speed. I'm changing the oil on it. It's like a 195 horsepower motor, so can't get in too much trouble in this car. But it's fun to drive. If anybody knows about 77 Corvettes, they're a 1-year thing. Their interior's different. They have a 1-year steering column. All C3s on 77s only. The wipers are on the steering wheel column. So they're kind of a rare, kind of an oddball thing. They actually sold a lot of these. Anyway. This is the underneath the car. It's actually really nice and clean. It's not dripping. Yeah, I think we're full. Yeah, I think oh yeah, we're full. But that's what you want. I'm back. So, I figured I'd just kind of give you guys a glimpse at what the car looks like inside. This is a motor engine compartment. It is basic, it is stock, except for it has no catalytic converters on it, and it has dual exhaust. I put a eBay radiator in it because the factory one's very expensive. We kept it. This is a numbers matching car, motor and tranny. It's got the original 4-barrel on it. We put I'll show you here in a minute what we did to it. Anyway, there's the oil. She don't look too good. It's, I don't know. We're gonna end up having to rebuild the tranny, but that's beside the point right now. There's the hood's got ghost stripes on it. I don't know if you can see them. See them right there? When we bought the car, we didn't notice it until we got the car shipped back to Washington, and it had ghost stripes on it. So somebody spent some money on this car at one time. So here's the other thing I'll show you guys. Let me see if I can't see. Oh, this sucks. Okay, there it is. So we put a new master cylinder on it and a new power brake booster on it. New hoses. That's factory. That's all factory. It's dirty because my daughter drives this car. This car isn't a garage. It does sit in the garage, don't get me wrong, but it does get driven a lot when she drives it. Here's the interior in it. It is pretty much bone stock except for the carpeting. This is her car, by the way. It's not mine. I know. Let me go here and make sure nothing's leaking. I want to make sure nothing's leaking underneath here. No leaks.
Don't tell them what we call dominoes.
Huh?
Not dominoes.
So is your light on there? Oh, well, turn the light on in there. You can. There you go. You can show everybody around what it looks like inside. I kind of did a thing earlier on it.
Okay, guys, house tour. Here's my steering wheel. Here are my gauges. They're pretty cool. I have telescopic steering, so I can can't one-hand it. Maybe if I put my knee up there, I don't know. But anyway, anyway, this makes my steering wheel move. I have wipers.
This thing runs so well. The wipers work in.
I have 3. Oh wait, I only have 2 settings. No wait, I have 3. 1, 2. I don't know. Anyway.
Tell them about 77s or one only years.
Oh, hold on. Okay, so then we have.
This is one only.
Yeah, this is one only. But this is so okay. So if you don't have telescopic steering, you have a steering wheel that has two of these and it goes in. But since this is telescopic steering, it has oh, whoops.
You gotta turn it.
So you turn this thing and it goes up.
Oh, I forgot about that.
And it actually works.
It does.
Anyway, it's really hard to do with one hand. Here's my. Get out of here. Here's my shift knob. Here's my aftermarket radio. It's a cassette deck, and it is a Craig cassette deck. Just gonna turn my lights on. Here are my gauges. Aren't they pretty? You'll never know, but we replaced the volts gauge. And then my dash lights, they work, all that jazz. Here's a book and garbage and just receipts. Hey, this is my junk. Oh, here's my case. Don't mind that. Here's my case to open it. Here's a case.
Oh, the radio comes out.
And guess what? I can't see.
Yep.
And it comes out.
90s swing.
So no one can jack your shit. Yeah, it's great. And so now everyone's gonna look in your car and be like, oh, I don't want to steal it. It doesn't have a radio. Here are my seats. They're original. Door panels are aftermarket. I have automatic windows. Look at that. I have a sound system back there, which you can't really see.
Give you a light, I can.
Yeah. And then I have what I think are original, maybe, T-top covers.
Here.
Oh my gosh, we have the light of God. Okay, so I have that. Yeah, we did a whole new carpet kit. I have a custom fire extinguisher that I made. And then I have like these trays, or this stuff that opens. There's a bunch of crap in here, like all the necessities a girl needs: hairbrush, sunglasses, stuffed animal. No. And then this is for my T-tops. It's like a strap. It's not original. Here's my little medical box. I keep all my Band-Aids and a med kit and Tic Tacs because it's that great. And then this one,
Battery.
I know, I'm doing stuff. This is my battery. So if anyone needs a jump, I can't help you. Those are my safety glasses. That's the sound system. So it just like kind of sits in there, and I have these janky blocks because I was not gonna have it. I didn't want it to drill in because then I can't take it out, and then I'll have extra holes in my car, and I don't need that. This is my cassette holder with all my beautiful music.
Oh, you're 8.
As you can see, I have really great music taste. Not to brag or anything, I got it from him. But yeah, basically that's a car, and also these stupid trim pieces, they're like, I guess 1 year only, and like stuff like that. This little cushion, very great, very cozy, you know. But that's about it. That's a 77, inside a 77 in super deep detail.
Very deep tail.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Back to you.
Thank you. I'm back. Yeah, this is cool. Well, it runs. We'll drive it tomorrow. She doesn't want to take it out tonight. Anyway. Huh?
Touched my car and it broke.
I know. Every time I touch it, she says I break it. But
It broke the first 2 days and my clutch went out.
yeah, well, ooh, there it goes. It's working. It runs really good. Cool car. Anyway, we're out of here. I'm out of here. Fix it, Dad. We'll see you guys all later. See you on the next one. Bye.